You're tall.
Hi. Good evening. Thanks very much for having me here tonight. My name, as Jim got close to, is John GOOTEE. I am Vice President of Client Relations with your Quayside Drive's local Strata management company, Quay Pacific Property Management. We're right at 6th and Front Street that he was just talking about. I'd like to update you on some changes in the law that are going to affect all Strata residents. But first, let me make you aware of some resources, information resources that you might be able to use. The first one is CHOA, the Condominium Homeowners Association. I'm sure you've all heard the name. They offer advisory services, education, and publications for strata owners. Anyone who's not a member, it's very inexpensive, and I would suggest that you do that. The second is our company, Quay Pacific, produces a call-in radio show called Talk About Strata. It's on AM 650, and we work with CHOA putting that together. Tony Giventu, who is the executive director of CHOA, is the host of the show. It's all about strata topics. It's every second Wednesday of the month. And anybody that'd be interested in learning when those shows are coming and what the topics are, I've got a sign-in sheet over here. The third is our company also has a YouTube channel, which is video resources about strata topics. All of those shows from the radio show are on there, and some other fun stuff if you think about strata as fun. Again, there's a sign-up sheet, and I'd be happy to share all those links with anybody that would like information. The Strata Property Act governs many aspects of condominium living and the rights and obligations of the people that live there and own there. But strata corporations, of course, are bound by the laws of Canada and British Columbia as well. There's a recent change in one of those laws that will affect the way that strata corporations in many cases do their business. And I want to make you aware of the change because non-compliance could have a huge effect on the contractual, financial, and enforcement procedures that every strata corporation in the province uses. And ignorance of the law could leave you and your strata in a bad situation with very few remaining options. The law I'm referring to is the new BC Limitation Act. It applies to all business transacted since June 1st of last year. The Limitation Act establishes criteria and time periods within which legal action must be taken. Or more precisely, any legal action that is not initiated within these criteria and time periods will be set aside, and your right to take legal action will expire permanently.